Here we will present an overview of the new premises, production plants, technological choices and logistic organization, which will give an immediate impression of the high quality levels achieved by our company. As you will see, Caseifici Zani Fratelli SPA has reached the dimensions and structure of a technologically advanced factory. The origin of this company dates back to the early decades of the last century when grandfather Piero founded the business. He used to collect the milk from the farmers of Cigole and sell it to private clients. He also produced a small quantity of Robiola, a fresh cheese which is today one of the symbols of the tradition and simplicity of Brescia's dairy products. The founders' three sons, Angelo, Sergio and Ruggero, carried on the business with the same enthusiasm as their father and transformed the family business into a corporation based on quality. Now the grandchildren run the business, applying their grandfather's guiding principles to continue the success of their enterprise. Thanks to the technology implemented in our modern production plant, the milk remains fresh and unaltered in this first stage until processing begins. The milk then undergoes a thorough analysis before it is processed in order to guarantee the client a product which always conforms to high quality standards. Zani's processing system has been certified to conform with the UNI-EN ISO 22005-2008 standards. The processing of the cheese is completely controlled and checked also during the delicate moments of processing. Each product is guaranteed to be fresh and genuine through the use of predetermined and ad hoc programs for each single production, in which each step, all the way to the final one, is carefully checked and controlled. Once the type of cheese to be produced is selected, whether it is Robiola, Quattirolo, Primo Sale or any other type made by Zani, the milk is then sent to its relevant automated area. It is then poured into containers where rennet is added to it. Coagulation will now occur and the curd can then be cut. Each step is carried out meticulously and delicately in order to guarantee the best organoleptic and structural qualities of the product. The skilled cheesemaker is entrusted with the tradition and knowledge of these artisanal methods. Thanks to the implementation of various technological solutions, man's knowledge remains unaltered while protecting the wholesomeness and quality of the product. The vats used during the processing stages are sanitized to then be reused in the following production phases. Each production step is isolated in order to guarantee that the products always conform to the characteristics requested, from the storing and maturing room to those where the cheeses are turned upside down daily. The choice of cutting-edge methods that Zani uses protect the wholesomeness of the products and meet the consumer's strong demand for the quality and natural cheese typically made in Italy. This means flavors of another era that have evolved without losing their original excellence. Using modern technology, the quality control of the cheese is continued up to the final stage of processing, the packaging phase. The packaging has been designed with great care, as we have combined function with the company image, while also paying particular attention to the materials used and their impact on the environment. In following the Zani tradition, some packages are handmade. The word quality to the Caseifici Zani Fratelli SPA is something that we aim for in all the phases of production and marketing. This is embodied in our precise and determined objectives, which guarantee the client products that always conform to the characteristics desired. Through the wholesomeness and flavor of the Robiola, Quartirolo, Cremina, Primo Sali, Formagella and Nostrano, along with other excellent cheeses, the Caseifici Zani dairy farm strives to offer its demanding customers the quality they desire on their table every day.